Hello everyone, hopefully you're doing well and staying safe. We'll start up with another revision lesson for this week, which is information processing in animals. Objective for this lesson, we will learn that how animals use their senses to interrupt their environment. As we have learned in our previous lesson, that how energy moves from one to place, how this communication history was there, and how fast we can communicate with each other. So in the same way, we're going to learn how animals use this electronic messages system built up in their body, and how do they interact with their environment. So we'll start up with this colossal squid, which lives deep in the ocean waters. Now due to the depth of the ocean, the sunlight reaches quite less there, and there's less light there, and it's quite dark. But some animals, such as this colossal squid, has special adaptation to survive in that environment. It has got large eyes in the animal kingdom, about 26 centimeters, approximately 10 inches wide. These large eyes, they let in a lot of light, and due to this, the squid sees in the dark depths of the ocean quite easily, and it can survive with this special adaptation in those dark areas. We move on to another animal, jackrabbit. They have those long pointy ears that give them excellent hearing. Apart from having those large ears for hearing, they also help the jackrabbit to release the heat, since it lives in a condition which is quite hot, such as deserts. And you can see the nerves that are present over here running through, which helps this animal to be aware of the surrounding predators. Coming to another wonderful and amazing animal, we have here pit viper. Some animals, for example, have so special kind of organs and senses that humans do not have. Pit viper and some other snakes, they have sensory organs that detect the infrared light that is given off by the warm-blooded prey. So what happens when the light enters a small pit organ, which is located here between the nostril and the eye, it gives, now this heat sensitive part in this organ sends the brain message that there is a prey nearby, and the brain commands the snake's other body parts to just attack on its prey. I will talk about Duckbill Platypus, which has another special ability and sensitive organ that helps this creature to attack and to find its prey. Duckbill platypus is a rare mammal because it lays eggs and feeds its young ones with the milk. We know that there are mammals which normally give birth to their young ones, apart from a few mammals who lay eggs, and Duckbill platypus is one of those mammals which lay eggs, but they feed the young one on their milk. Now, Duckbill platypus uses its bill, the hiding place, to detect weak electrical fields put out by animals as they move, since it lives in the water. So if there is a movement by its prey in the water, the bill that the Duckbill platypus is using, it can detect these movements in the water, which helps the platypus. This information helps it to quickly locate its prey. Next animal on the list is the African elephant. African elephant have the biggest ears of any animal. These ears of the elephant helps it to hear sounds from very far away in long distances. Elephants communicate by each other, making very low and rumbling noises that we humans cannot hear actually, but however, the elephants on the other hand can hear them from miles away. Apart from the hearing ability, these large ears of the African elephant helps it also to stay cool in the blazing African sun.